The simple budget that builds wealth every month. Most people think budgeting is about restricting spending. It's not. The right budget doesn't make you feel poor, it helps you become wealthy. Today, I'll show you a simple budgeting system that can transform the way you manage money every single month. Many people create complicated budgets with dozens of categories. After a few weeks, they stop using them. The problem isn't a lack of discipline. The problem is that the system is too complicated. The best budget is one you'll actually follow. Simple systems create lasting results. The first step is knowing exactly how much money you bring home each month after taxes. If your income changes, calculate your average income over the last 3 to 6 months. You can't manage what you don't measure. Next, give every dollar a purpose before you spend it. A simple approach is to divide your income between your essential needs, your financial goals, and your personal lifestyle. The exact percentages may vary, but every dollar should have a job. One of the most powerful financial habits is paying yourself first. Before paying bills or making unnecessary purchases, automatically move part of your income into savings or investments. Even small amounts grow over time when you stay consistent. Now look for silent money leaks, unused subscriptions, impulse shopping, daily purchases you barely notice. These small expenses can quietly slow your financial progress. Review your spending every month and remove anything that doesn't add real value to your life. Budgeting alone won't make you wealthy. Growing your income is just as important. Consider starting a blog, create digital products, learn affiliate marketing, or build an online business that can generate income beyond your regular paycheck. A good budget tells your money where to go. Additional income helps you build wealth faster. At the end of every month, ask yourself 3 simple questions. Did I follow my budget? Did my savings grow? Did I increase my assets? Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about making better financial decisions month after month. Start with a simple budget, stay consistent, keep learning, and let your money work for your future instead of disappearing every month. Subscribe to Wealthwise Media for practical strategies on personal finance, budgeting, online income, and building long-term digital assets. Your journey to financial freedom starts today.